Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you've been learning English through classes, grammar books, or language apps, you've probably come across all the usual phrases. The kind that sound good on paper but don't always help in real-life conversations. That's because native English speakers don't always speak like the textbooks. They use everyday expressions, casual phrases, and friendly language that's full of emotion, rhythm, and personality. And here's the problem. Most of that natural English never gets taught in formal lessons. So today, I'm going to change that for you. In this video, we're going to explore 10 powerful, natural phrases that native speakers use all the time, but that you almost never see in textbooks. I'll explain what each phrase really means, when to use it, how to use it, and I'll walk you through natural, everyday examples so you can start sounding more fluent, more confident, and more connected. These are the kinds of phrases that make your English feel alive and make your conversations feel real. So, let's jump in. 1. I'm all set. This phrase might confuse learners at first because it doesn't literally mean you're set like an object. Instead, native speakers use I'm all set to mean I have everything I need or I'm ready, depending on context. It's a casual, confident way to say you're good to go or you don't need anything else. If a waiter asks, "Can I get you anything else?" you might smile and say, "No thanks, I'm all set." Or, when you're about to leave for the airport, you double-check your bags, your passport, and say, "All right, I'm all set." It's efficient, warm, and very natural in everyday speech. 2. That's on me. This isn't about something being physically on you. It means I take responsibility. Native speakers use that's on me to accept blame or offer to cover a cost. It's a humble, polite phrase that shows accountability without making a big deal. For example, if you spill coffee on a friend's book, you'd say, "Ah, I'm so sorry. That's on me. I'll replace it." Or, when eating out, someone might say, "You got it last time. This one's on me." It's casual, thoughtful, and often used to build trust or show generosity. 3. I'm good. This phrase is wonderfully versatile, but easily misunderstood by learners. I'm good doesn't always mean I'm morally upright. It's often used to say, "No thanks," or "I don't need anything right now." So, if someone offers you more food and you've had enough, you can smile and say, "I'm good." It's polite, easy, and signals that you're satisfied. It's also used for reassurance, like when someone checks in and asks, "Are you okay with this plan?" You can say, "Yeah, I'm good." Tone is key here. It should sound relaxed, not dismissive. 4. You're all set. This one sounds similar to I'm all set, but it's something you say to someone else, usually when you're done helping them. Think of it as a polite way to say, "Everything is ready, you're good to go." For example, after checking in at a hotel, the receptionist might smile and say, "All right, you're all set, here's your key." Or, after helping a customer buy something, a cashier might say, "You're all set, have a great day." It's efficient, customer-friendly, and part of everyday service English that you almost never see in textbooks. 5. No worries. This phrase has become a modern classic, replacing older responses like, "You're welcome," or "It's nothing." No worries is casual, friendly, and perfect for putting people at ease. If someone says, "Sorry I'm late," a native speaker might smile and say, "No worries, we haven't started yet." It reassures the other person that there's no problem, and you're not upset. It can also be used after someone thanks you, instead of "no problem" or "you're welcome." Simple, relaxed, and incredibly common in informal conversation. 6. I'm just messing with you. This is a playful, friendly way to say, "I was joking." Native speakers use it when they want to make sure someone knows they're not being serious. If you tease a friend and they look confused, you might quickly say, "Relax, I'm just messing with you." It keeps the mood light and helps avoid misunderstandings. 7. It's up to you. This phrase is all about giving choice or responsibility to the other person. When someone says, "It's up to you," they mean, you decide, I'm fine with whatever. For example, if a friend asks, "Should we order pizza or sushi?" you might shrug and say, "It's up to you." It's polite, flexible, and often used to show cooperation. It can also be used in more serious contexts, like deciding whether to accept a job. It's a big decision, but it's up to you. 8. I'm not feeling it. This is a soft, informal way to say, "I don't want to," or "I'm not into that idea." It allows you to decline something without sounding too negative. For example, if your friends want to go to a party, but you're tired or not in the mood, you might say, "Honestly, I'm not feeling it tonight." Or, if you're choosing a movie and someone suggests a horror film, you might reply, I'm not really feeling that one." It's subtle, expressive, and very natural among native speakers. 9. I'm down. Strangely, "I'm down" is not negative at all. It actually means "I'm in" or "I agree," especially when someone invites you to do something fun. If a friend says, "Want to grab coffee later?" you can say, "Yeah, I'm down." It shows enthusiasm and willingness. But don't confuse it with feeling down, which means feeling sad. Context and tone make all the difference. Among younger speakers, "I'm down" is a very common way to say yes to casual plans. 10. Let's play it by ear. This phrase doesn't mean you'll be using your ears to make decisions. It actually means, "Let's decide as we go," or "Let's see what happens." It's often used when plans are uncertain, and you don't want to commit too early. For instance, if someone asks, "What time should we leave on Saturday?" you might say, "Let's play it by ear. Depends on the weather." It's flexible, calm, and communicates that you're open to adjusting things. A perfect phrase for relaxed, spontaneous plans. So, there you have it, 10 real English phrases that native speakers use in everyday conversation, but most textbooks completely ignore. These expressions are more than just words. They're the glue that makes your English sound natural, smooth, and confident. If you start using even just a few of these in your conversations, you'll instantly sound more like a native, and people will respond to you in a much more relaxed, friendly way. Keep practicing, keep listening to real conversations, and don't be afraid to bring these phrases into your own speech. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to level up your English. And if you want more content like this, let me know in the comments. I'm always here to help you grow. See you in the next video.